Welcome back to Explore Air. In this video, I will show you how to set up parental controls using Google Family Link. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing to Guide Realm. Usually, this setup requires both the parent's phone and the child's phone, but in this video, I will explain everything step by step using only one device, so you can easily understand the full process. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your phone. Once you are in Settings, scroll down and find Google. Tap on it, and inside Google Services, tap on All Services. Now scroll down until you see Parental Controls. Tap on Parental Controls and you will be asked to choose the account you want to supervise. This should be your child's account. If needed, you can switch accounts by tapping the drop-down menu and selecting the correct account. After selecting the account, tap on Supervise. At this point, Google may ask you to remove other accounts from the device because only one account can be supervised on the phone. Just follow the instructions and tap Continue. In my case, I won't remove the account since this is only for tutorial purposes, but you should follow the steps on your screen. Next, you will need to enter the parent's email address. Even though I'm using one phone, this must be a separate Google account that will work as the parent account. After that, read the information shown on the screen, scroll down, enter the child's account password, and tap Allow to enable supervision. Once that is done, tap Next and complete the setup for the child's side. Since we are using only one phone here, we will switch roles on the same device. In a real setup, the parent would install the Google Family Link app on their own phone. To show this, go to the Play Store and search for Google Family Link. Install the official Google Family Link app and open it. After opening the app, sign in with the parent's email address that you used earlier. From there, you will be able to manage the child's account. And that's it. We have successfully learned how to set up Google Family Link. In this video, we covered how to enable parental controls, connect a parent account, and complete the setup step by step.